AUDJPY. Let us look at AUDJPY. This is one of the pair you don't want to be on the wrong side. Why? Because when it starts trending up, it goes so many pips before it retests. You can see this 4 hour. You can see how it is stretched. Let's see how many pips. Let's see how many pips. It went almost 800 pips before it did a proper retrace. So AUDJPY, don't hop in on a reversal hoping to get a reversal if you don't have a confirmation. So we can see on AUDJPY, after this stretch, the market may be retracing. Guys, this might not be a reversal. Sometimes AUDJPY may retrace, may do deep retracement like this. So what did I do to think maybe this can be just a deep retracement? I used my trendline strategy for me to know what is happening with AUDJPY. So this being my 4 hour, I don't need to analyze on 4 hour because I'll not get the clear picture. So let me go to monthly chart. Let's do it quickly. So on monthly chart, I have a trend line here. I can be able to see 2020 market. So I can put my trend line like that. And you see, guys, if you're on a 4 hour chart, you cannot be able to put that trend line because the price is very far. And maybe let's put a trend line there like that. So I have 2 trend line at monthly. That's what I can see, or I can be able to. That's what I can be able to manage. Let's go to weekly time frame. Let's go to weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, this is what we have. You can see we have the market. This is a strategy called three touches. So if the market touch the third time, it has to move and move very fast and make a big move. So you can see here that was first touch, and now we got the third touch, and the market has never come back to this trend line. So never ignore. This is first attempt, second attempt, third attempt on the trend line. The price just moved up. It moved with how many pips? 1604. So the strategy on the trend line is that if you notice that your trend line has been touched 1, 2, the third time, be careful, because if it decides to get rejected, the price will move very fast. If it breaks, the price will go down very fast. So let me undo the yellow. So on the weekly time frame, I can also connect another trend line because I need one like that. So that's what I have on the weekly time frame. Now let's go to daily time frame. You can see on the daily time frame the same thing happened. This is first touch, second touch, the third touch, the market went up. So that's what I've been doing on the trend line strategy, putting my trend line in place so that if they are touched 3 times, I know the market will react. And now we have that trend line. You see, you could not have gotten this trend line perfectly if you didn't do top-down analysis. So this is to show you what AUDJPY it is doing. AUDJPY. So you can see clearly, guys, what do we have here? Again, the same strategy. We have first touch, and then this is second touch, and yesterday we had that touch. What do you think will happen? Will the market finally break? And if it breaks, it will come here, or will it get rejected and the buyers push the market even higher to make a new high? So what do you think will happen, guys? at this moment, the move that it will be decided, it will be very, very tough. So there's an opportunity for AUDJPY to either go down or go up. I'm not saying that if it's that touch is automatically a rejection and the market will buy. The sellers can really push this market, and it breaks. Once it breaks here, it will come to this trend line. Once it breaks that trend line, it will come to this trend line. So at the end of the day, where do you think this market will go? And the best thing to do at this moment, yes, you are aware. What I'm telling you is that be aware that it's that attempt. On the third attempt, something big, something major will happen. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. And you can see how the price has not been moving away from the trend line. So all you need to do is to start with price action and marking your high highs, high lows, low lows, and start identifying what the market is doing. So you can see here, the market, this is our low. Where the market has reached on the trend line, that's our low. It is very clear, defined. This is my low. So where is my last high, where the buyers could not push further? So you can see the buyers were kept pushing, but they are rejected, creating low high. But I'll call this my high because that's the previous high that the buyers have tried to push the market. I can only know that the trend line has rejected the sellers if buyers push this market, breaking this high and retesting back. I can know that the market will continue to go up, and I will be targeting the highest point of that price. So all of these are low high. Even this is a low high, but I like calling it a high so that if at all it is broken, I can have a high. So that's how I would trade AUDJPY. I'm eagerly waiting for the buyers to break. And guys, if these buyers break this ceiling, the only thing that you need to wait now is a retest, because remember, they can break and then still come down and break the trend line. So guys, make sure you wait for retest. Why? It is not a guarantee. If a resistance is broken, the market will go up. What if the market reaches here and starts coming down and break? If they break on the downside, and this is what I'm telling you guys, if they decide to break on the downside, again, wait for retest at the trend line and target the next trend line. You see, everything is fine here. Everything is defined when you use trendline strategy. So guys, this was a trendline strategy showing you an opportunity on AUDJPY. You would add it to your watch list right away and start being familiar with it before the opportunities happen. Those who use moving average, you can use it as an added confirmation. You can see my moving average, this 20 EMA. The 20 EMA is just at the point where I want my market to break. So if you have your high getting broken, the market is above 20 EMA, what else do you need to know that the market has? It was just a retest. So this might not be a reversal, because many people think the market will go down there. Yes, it can if it breaks this trend line. But with the trendline strategy of 3 touches attempt, you can see the market has touched this trend line and we are on the 3rd touch. What do you think will happen? Will the market break up? For me, I cannot say where the market will go because it can do 2 things. So what I do, I wait. Patience, guys. You have to wait. Be patient. Wait for the market to give you direction. If this market will go and break here, if it will break, well and good, wait for retest, and we will be targeting how many pips? From where it breaks, it's 287. If it decides to break on the downside, how many pips? 313. So either way, you will get your pips. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you so much. Until next time, bye bye.